First, anyway, agriculture section maybe start in the around 2 o'clock section. Organizer particularly want to congratulate on behalf of agriculture sector Vijay Prabhakar sir coming all the way organizing this event. Next day budget actually. Today morning you see everybody about budget section, what the allocation come for the seniors and all. But agriculture we are all more worried about, very concerned. The 11 o'clock to 11:30, what the finance minister going to announce the agriculture sector, what the allocation, poor farmer get it. Very good title, farmers and agriculture. When the prime minister took over in 2014, given a more important for the agriculture. That's why double the income farming 2020-22. That is a timeline. Prime Minister given a special attention. One IAS officer, secretary level, Ministry of Agriculture, Pokhran, last check it. That time, all other countries, very fortunate, India will be, that's all. We don't want to give any support. But WTO also very, looking at India, what happened to India? But we are very strong in food security. That's why nobody come in front of us. That's why our farmers are today, India almost crossed more than 100 million wheat production, food production. No more waiting for any ship. Ship to mouth is gone. Now right to food act has come 2013. Very happy because of biggest thanks to our farmers doing. Particularly we want to tell you in the Punjab, Haryana, Pusa Basmati, one of the best Basmati global level, is earning almost 35,000 crore rupee for our India economy first of all. That's why yesterday budget, our finance minister and our prime minister given importance for youth in agriculture, how to more attract and retaining youth in agriculture, motivating youth in agriculture, is giving a lot of financial commitment, particularly FAOs, Farmers Producer Company. Yesterday I listened fully what Nirmala Sitharaman ji summit. Farmers Producer Company for not only for farmer, now the fishermen also, because India have a huge fishing area, almost more than 1,000 kilometer. So many fishermen community only using fish harvesting and all, but value addition, giving a lot of money, financial support for young people. The unemployment problem facing a lot because India is facing, going to beat China very soon, 2030 or 35, our 135 crore India population, but 75% of people, young people below 35 age group. 40% of people all educated, but unemployment problem will be occurred. How to solve the unemployment problem? Only agriculture will save our young people, young generation, because food production alone cannot do everything. Value addition. The government of India, our Prime Minister Modi ji, the vision and action. We always talking about vision and mission. Vision and action oriented Prime Minister took Ministry of Food Processing in ministry separately. Link together Ministry of Food Processing because each product giving a lot of importance. And the agriculture sector, organic farming giving some importance for our economic value. That's why all young people today that motivating youth in agriculture, Ministry of Agriculture doing separate program under the extension ICAR, already doing a research. Our JP Sharma ji already doing state level involving agriculture universities, private institution, NGOs and farmer producer company. Now one more thing, because all IT company people overall did master degree or working a big company like ITC or TCS, big companies, Qualcomm and all, everybody coming back the life cycle approach in agriculture sector. Sir, I don't want to go over 2 lakhs rupees working also, MBA. People don't want to continue IT companies. Back for agriculture, he said, sir, I'm ready to go for farming. I need some lease land. This is the situation today. I did my MS Swaminathan Research Foundation. We almost 8 state, 5 district each, black level approach. Each black 40 people. Each one district to 200 people. 5 district means 1,000 people. But 8,000 people, a core group now. is ready to do anything in the agriculture sector. In the horticulture is a major important because malnutrition very high in India. We don't want to lose our young people generation. Lot of important things. We want to promote our agriculture sector, particularly women in agriculture, urban in agriculture, urban horticulture, irrigation. So many important this budget. But this year 2020 to 22, definitely our farmers get lot of benefit because there's a technology transfer, new technology in agriculture sector, mainly household women. There's a urban horticulture program in Tamil Nadu, one of the pioneer institution is doing all the rooftop garden. Those days called kitchen garden, now called nutrition garden, rooftop garden. It's come up very well. So many support from the state, central government, giving a state through state government. The technology is available, but we want to promote all our young people, particularly school level. ICR already introduced school level approach, particularly all Kendra Vidyalaya is called agriculture clubs. We started the journum clubs. We want to give a small seeds. The people develop his own agriculture plat, something like that, for 3 months period. The experiment went very well in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. The successful work we call the Bio Village program. We don't want to use any fertilizer anymore. Already is used a lot. We want eco-friendly development. That's why the M.S. Swaminathan Foundation working very closely with the Ministry of Agriculture, ICAR, IARI, all state government institutions. My appeal to all the parents here, please don't give a chance to the children by choice. Don't dump, you go and take it. When you go for after +2, always tell my son want a doctor or engineer or lawyer, something like that. But give a chance to the agriculture. Give a choice. I always give a choice to my, Dr. Swaminathan said, he's past the IPS officer, but he went for agriculture sector. Today's India's green revolution happened very successfully. That's why please discuss with the children what do we want. Don't think everybody become a doctor or engineer who will feed our country. Next generation definitely don't want to go and beg for food purpose. We will have our sustainable food security for a long time. This hand to only for young people. We want to do it